Hey everyone, I hope you are doing absolutely well. In today's video, I will show you the easiest way to add a TradingView widget inside Notion in 2026. Now, first of all, you need to come here on tradingview.com, then simply log into your account if you haven't already. Now guys, if you are interested in TradingView subscription, you can just check out the link of this deal down in the description box below. Currently, a Black Friday sale is going on in which you are going to get all of the premium subscriptions of TradingView at up to 80% off plus 1 month additional. Only 3 days left, so hurry if you are interested in this deal. Now, once you are here on this page, simply hover over to the more section on the top, then go to the for businesses, then click on the option of all widgets. Now here in this section, it is going to show you all of the widgets which you can basically add in your Notion account. So you just have to select the one which you want to add. For example, let's say I want to add the symbol overview. So simply click on the option of get widget. Now it is going to show you the HTML code in front of you, but you already know that you can't actually directly add this HTML code inside your Notion template. So you have first option is to convert this particular code into the URL, and then you can embed this URL here in your Notion account. Or what you can do is you can simply use this website that is called action.co. So once you are here on this page, you just have to simply use the search bar and search for TradingView. Now once you are able to find the TradingView widget over here, you just have to click on it. Then it is going to automatically generate the link for you. So this is the page of demo. You can just simply look for it. Now after copying this particular link from here, you just have to come here on Notion, then press backslash and simply look for the option of embed. Over here you need to paste the link which you have copied from action.co. Then wait for some time and it is going to load the TradingView chart in front of you. So this way you will be able to add TradingView widget in Notion. If this video helped you out, make sure that you give this video a like, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.